Pressure Wash Long Island. Pressure Wash Long Island is your local, reputable, and highly recommended pressure washing company for all of your residential and commercial pressure washing needs on Long Island. If you're looking for pressure washing service from the top-rated pressure washing company on Long Island, you've come to the right place. Pressure Wash Long Island is the area's leader in pressure washing services, providing exceptional customer service, quality workmanship, and reasonable rates to our friends and neighbors in Oyster Bay and the surrounding Long Island communities. Since 1986, we've been offering professional and personalized Long Island pressure washing services for your home or business. Our professionalism, integrity, and dedication to personalized service set us apart from the competition, and our reputation for customer satisfaction is second to none. Pressure Wash Long Island is your hometown pressure washer, and we work hard to maintain our reputation for quality pressure washing services and unbeatable customer service. Our environmentally safe biodegradable cleaning products are always safe for people, pets, and plants. We'll always treat your home or business like it was our own and provide you with remarkable quality and value. Experience the difference that Pressure Wash Long Island can make for your home or business. Visit Pressure Wash Long Island website